What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to continue working with my 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. Today's video is not going to be an easy one because I'm going to have to cut the truck bed off this red truck, and also I'm going to have to do the same thing for my gray truck over there. So I'm going to have to switch floors, weld it together if I get a chance on this video, and also I'm going to have to switch the hitch because the one that is on right now is not in the best shape. It's not safe. I don't feel comfortable selling a truck like that. So guys, there is a lot of stuff going on today. Be sure to stay tuned because there is a lot of progress that I'm hoping to complete on this video. So guys, if you enjoyed this series so far, be sure to like this video. That tells me that you like what you see and you support your boy. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alrighty guys, so this is how it looks right now. I think it looks way better than before. See, that line is way better. So what I'm thinking about doing next is just to remove all this rust because, you know, it's pretty weak. It's not solid. So I want something that is nice and secure just for safety. And also I'm going to go ahead and replace that hitch. can see some major progress I was able to accomplish today. So what I did was I just removed this floor. I made a nice and even cut. As you can see, it's a little better. And there's no more rust underneath. Everything is just metal as it should be. So I'm happy about that. And also I was able to remove the hitch. Man, this thing was so heavy to do and it was very painful. Very uncomfortable. It was very painful. Whew, thank God it's over. So the only reason why I removed the hitch was because it's not the safest. As you can see, it has like rust. It's not safe. So I'm not going to sell this truck, and I'm not going to say, hey man, go ahead and take this truck, it's fine, when I know that it's not. So for that reason, I decided just to go ahead and remove that. And then what I'm going to do is grab that hitch and place it on here. I already did the measurements and everything is perfect. Now let me show you the new floor. All right, so this is how it looks with the new floor, and I think it looks pretty dang good. What you guys think? Don't think like this is a big gap, because it isn't. I just place it on here, so I'm pretty sure when I start adjusting everything, everything's gonna look just like this, and you're just gonna like start welding it. Right here it's a little lifted, so I just gotta like hit it with the hammer. I got it molded onto the bed. But this is coming right along, and I'm so happy with the progress. All right, guys, that's what I got so far. Let's go ahead and continue. Guys think? It's my first time ever welding. It took me forever, and the only reason why was because I needed to get used to the welder. I needed to get used to the setting, what was the right setting that it needed to be on, how to use that stick. There's a lot of technique that you need to be aware for you to have a successful job when it comes to welding. But I mean, this is my first time, and it's not bad. So yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is just with the hammer, I'm gonna hit it, just remove like the surface, and then I'm gonna grind it just to make sure that everything's nice and even and it shines. I might have to go a second time because I noticed like right here, I don't know if you can focus, but like right there, it has like a hole. So that's something that I have to take care of for sure. And then like right here, come on, focus. So you see, there is a line right there that is open. So I'm gonna hit it with the hammer, like I said, just to remove the surface. Then I'm gonna grind it, go with the welder a second time, and we go from there. Alrighty guys, so I just got done with welding and I decided to use the grinder, and I was grinding what I just did with my welder, and this thing is just not working. You see, let me come over here. See, you see nothing but dots, and those dots, it's not like they did anything. So I couldn't record it because my phone kind of died, ran out of battery, so I had to charge it. So right now I got a little bit, so that's why I couldn't record the grinding part. But do you guys know how to fix this thing? Like, because the welder's not doing it. I tried to like redo it again, but it's just creating bigger holes instead of like just making a thick line or just making something a little bit nicer. But all it's doing is just creating like a bigger hole in, and I really don't know how to do this. So do you guys have any tips or suggestion on how to fix this? Because right now I feel clueless. I have no idea on what to do here. So yeah guys, I just want to hear what you guys have to say to me. I'm just going to end the video right here because I really don't know. I'm already put so much time into this and I just can't figure it out. I just can't. I don't know. So guys, just drop your thoughts and comments down below, and I'm going to be reading what you guys put down there. Alrighty guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. As you guys saw, this welding job is kicking my butt a little bit. It's more difficult what I thought it would be. So guys, if you have any suggestions, comments, tips, or links, go ahead and drop them down below so I can go ahead and check them out, because I'm trying to complete this truck and not having this done is putting delay on this truck. So guys, please help me out with dropping some thoughts and comments down below, as I said. If you guys are enjoying this series, be sure to like this video. That tells me that you like what you see and you support the channel. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more content. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.